technology is everywhere. Technology moves the world forward and we want to be part of it. Finding the best manufacturer for a piece of machine and controlling the production process is no easy job. We know it. Lots of mails, calls, negotiating. Save time, money and effort by choosing INKO21, the one-stop shop with more than 30-year expertise to manage your projects, with personalized and efficient service from order to delivery. For prototypes, series, tooling, assemblies, turnkey projects, we select the most suitable European collaborator from more than 200. We take care of logistics, quality control, and deliver the product to your place. Trust INKO21, make your job easier and focus on what really matters, making your business grow. Your success is our success. And there is more. If you want INKO21 to be your official distributor, do not hesitate to contact us.